What's the meaning of centrality? Centrality. Centrality.
Centrality. Centrality. Centrality refers to the extent to which a single node or vertex in a network is important or influential relative to other nodes or vertices in the network. There are several different measures of centrality, including degree centrality, betweenness centrality, and eigenvector centrality. Degree centrality is based on the number of edges that connect a node to other nodes in the network, while betweenness centrality is based on the number of shortest paths through a node. Eigenvector centrality takes into account the importance of nodes to which a node is connected and assigns a score accordingly.